Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a cryptocurrency chart. We take a look at Decentraland, Mana Decentraland, one of the popular gaming metaverse cryptocurrencies. And yeah, it's also undergone a significant pullback. So we want to take a look at the current support levels and what the chances are that we see a reversal. Let's go. So we are now on the dailymarketupdates.com website. Here you can register completely for free. You get access to all of these different asset classes that we cover. Also recently we started to cover tech stocks, but now let's take a look at the crypto section. If you're interested in an updated analysis about Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can find that here as well. But we click on the Decentraland chart and yeah, we covered it not so long ago, but obviously crypto charts are highly volatile. They change from time to time. So let's take a look at the 2-day chart and the 4-hour chart. The 2-day chart, first of all, will give us a good understanding of the overall bigger picture, the overall time frame, long-term targets, what are the targets for the bull run, what are expectations for new all-time highs. So let's take a look here at the 2-day chart. You can see it already. First of all, you can see that Mana is very, very weak actually. Okay, it's very, very weak. And you can see here this overall wave 2 correction that recently finished because Mana shows a lot of weakness in the short term. But once this third wave really is underway, and so far we need a little bit more upside momentum to really let's say get a bit more confidence about that. Once this third wave is unfolding, the price should first of all get above $6.09, which shouldn't be a problem if it's really a third wave that's unfolding, targeting $10.34 plus. That's still the overall long-term bullish perspective for Mana that can be taken at the moment. But this is really just the long term. You can see we're now at the lower boundary line of this long-term support area, which is defined between $1 and 30 cents. And the 30-cent level is very, very important mark here on the long-term chart. This is a box where we expect if the third wave is starting, the price might never get into that price region again, which is characterized by that green border around the blue box. These are really long-term support zones, maybe trading areas, accumulation zones. But yeah, so far Mana Decentraland has a lot to prove. Long sideways range and not really any significant upside movement, but ideally that would still happen. So let's take a look at the 4-hour chart to get a better understanding of where we are here. And you can see that Decentraland or Mana has come down so low in this current decline that we've reached this next trading area. It's defined between 31.5 cents and 13.7 cents. The idea is still that this here could be a wave 2 correction. Obviously, this magenta wave 5 might be complete already. We need to be a bit on the side of caution here because so far Mana Decentraland hasn't rallied in an impulse from any of the swing lows recently. So the problem now is that from here, we need to see a first signal. We need some kind of a signal. Yes, we are now in this next trading area on the smaller time frame on the 4-hour chart, which goes down to 13.7 cents. Ideally, we don't see the price break below it, or this overall still bullish assumption has to be revised, which shows how important risk management just is. First indication that a low is in place on the Decentraland chart is a break above the 48-cent level. Why is that so important? Because you can see on the chart this decline, and a break above the last significant swing high would at least invalidate any further direct downside in any extension of magenta wave 5. So that is the first key level that needs to be broken. Again, it's at 48 cents. Without breaking above that level, we shouldn't really entertain the idea that a low is in, but overall this is the area where we are watching for a reversal. Okay, that means next support is 21.2 cents and then 13.7 cents. We still have an overall bullish scenario here on the chart, but bear in mind that below 13.7 cents this will need to be revised. And also you can see that the last rally here from the swing low that formed on the 5th of July, it was just a 3-wave rally. Now in Elliott wave we need 5 waves. We're always watching for 5-wave patterns. means. If we only see 3-wave rallies from a low, it is less clearly bullish. Not necessarily bearish, but it doesn't really give us a lot of comfort, doesn't really give us a lot of confidence that a downtrend, a local downtrend that, as you can see on the chart, started in March, that this local downtrend is indeed complete. So we need a 5-wave move up. So far, the rally has only been in 3 waves, and Mana Decentraland hasn't yet given us any convincing reversal signals. So pay attention to the levels, to the downside and to the upside. And once we see that break above the 48-cent level, we should be good, and we should see further upside that would eventually lead to a rally to $1 plus. So that's the update about Mana Decentraland. Feel free to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, make sure that you activate the notification bell as well. Let me also know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies or tech stocks or other assets you want me to cover this and next week in the videos, and have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.